Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Nintendo Switch Bluetooth audio is not working and how we can fix this up. The first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to check for the Bluetooth signal interface. So you might be using a headset or even the earpods, so you have to check whether you are having an issue with the signal interface or not. Most probably that is why we are having the issue. So you need to cross-check with the Bluetooth device, not with the Nintendo Switch. You have to make sure the Nintendo Switch is connected, and the rest thing is all depend on the what you are using. For example, if you're using headset, it depends on it, and also if you're using an earpod, it depends on it. So just cross-check it. Second step is all about we have to do a restart on your console. That is what you have to do. It did work out for many users. You can try this out. For this, we just need to press and hold the power button over here like this. You have to keep pressing. And when you keep pressing over here, you'll be getting this option, and you can navigate to the power options over here and go for a restart. Once restart is done, what we need to do is we just need to close this and we can try launching the game. This is what you have to do, and this even did work out for many users. You can try this out as well. Next one is all about we have to update the system software. For this, we just go over here to the system settings over here, scroll down and navigate to system over here. There is an option called system update. Tap on it. And also, as you can see, we are having an update. So if I tap on update, it's going to take a lot of time. So I'm going to skip this up because we're in the middle of shooting. So I'm going to skip this up. So just tap on the update and wait for the update to complete. Afterwards, try the check. You can check whether the issue is solved or not. So even after trying with this, if the issue is still there, you can try with disconnecting the already connected devices, and you can try connecting to a new device and check whether the issue is with the respective one or not. Some devices, the Bluetooth may not be working, so we accidentally think that Nintendo Switch is having some problem. So check with your device, with the Bluetooth device. Afterwards, disconnect it and try with the new one and check whether the issue is solved or not. And this is what you have to do, and these are the possible workarounds. I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.